You see something coming, a message, a meeting, a person. Nothing bad has happened yet, but inside, you already want to step away. Welcome to One Story, One Word. In this video, you will fully understand one English word, what it means, and how to use it naturally in real life. There are moments when you don't argue, you don't explain, you just quietly change your plan. You arrive later, you stay silent, you take a different path. Have you noticed how often people do this without saying why? Today's word is avoid. Emma works in a small office. Every Monday, there's a short team meeting. One colleague often complains and turns simple talks into long arguments. Last Monday, Emma arrived early, but when she saw that colleague walking in, she stayed near the coffee machine. She checked her phone. She waited. She joined the meeting 2 minutes late. Later, her friend asked why she didn't sit at the table from the start. Emma smiled and said she wanted to avoid an uncomfortable conversation. It was not a big problem. She just didn't want the stress at the beginning of her day. When people say avoid, they talk about choosing not to face something. It means you see a situation, person, or action, and you decide to stay away from it. Like Emma staying near the coffee machine to avoid the talk. Avoid is a verb. People use it when they talk about actions, not thoughts. You do something to stay away. You arrive late. You don't answer a message. You change your path. Sometimes avoid is about people or conversations. Emma wanted to avoid her colleague. She didn't want that talk. Sometimes it is about actions or situations. She wanted to avoid stress at work that morning. The feeling is calm, not dramatic. From the same word, people also use avoidance. Avoidance is the idea or habit of staying away. Emma's small delay was a form of avoidance. It sounds more neutral and often describes behavior. People also say avoidable. That means something can be avoided. For Emma, the argument was avoidable, so she chose a different moment to enter. In real life, people use avoid when they want less discomfort. Not danger, not drama, just less tension. The tone is usually calm and practical. Very often, avoid is followed by a noun. Emma tried to avoid the conversation. It is also very common with a verb ending in ing. She avoided sitting next to him. People also use avoid with places or moments. She avoided the meeting room at first. Sometimes you hear avoid talking about negative results. She wanted to avoid stress before work started. Now, let's do shadowing. Listen and repeat out loud immediately after me. Don't think, just copy. Sentence 1. I tried to avoid the conversation. Sentence 2. She avoided sitting near him. Sentence 3. They want to avoid stress at work. Good. Repeating helps this word feel natural and easy when you hear or say it. This word exists because people often choose distance over conflict. Not because they are weak, but because life is full. Sometimes stepping away is simply a quiet way to protect calm moments. Remember today's word. Avoid. To choose not to face something uncomfortable. This is One Story, One Word. See you in the next video.